Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make this giant Girl Scout cookie. It's a tag-along. So keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make this. This is part of a collaboration with GLEN Creates again, and we're doing a little competition to see who can make the best Girl Scout cookie. He's doing a Samoa's, so go check out his channel. I'll put a link in the description below. But for right now, keep watching and I'm going to show you how to make this tag-along. In a large bowl, we're going to start off with 2 cups of creamy peanut butter. Now we're going to add 1 cup of powdered sugar. You can sift it in there. I'm not going to do it. It'll be fine either way. And mix this until it's well combined. Now we're going to cover a large cookie sheet with some parchment paper. This is going to be about the size of our cookie. Take our peanut butter mixture and put it on the parchment paper. And we can just spread this out. We don't want it to be too thin, only about 1 inch in thickness, I think. Now refrigerate this while we work on the rest of the ingredients. Now we're going to make the cookie dough, and to do that, I have a large bowl here. Add 3 sticks of softened butter, that is 1.5 cups. 1 cup of sugar, and blend. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we're going to add 3.5 cups of flour. We're going to add it in gradually. And you know it's all done when you can grab a handful and squeeze it and it comes together. It is going to be a very dry dough. Just keep that in mind. Now just turn this out onto some plastic wrap and we are going to wrap it up and refrigerate for about a half hour. After a half hour, bring your dough out of the refrigerator, turn it out onto some parchment paper, and knead the dough. And knead the dough. It's going to take a little while, but knead it really good. You can also do it in small portions at first. And we just want to form it into the shape of a cookie. When you're happy with the shape of the cookie, we're just going to test it out for size. Take our peanut butter and just lay it over top. The peanut butter should be a little shorter than your actual large cookie here. Put this in the oven at 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes. We're going to check on it. When it comes out of the oven, it took it about 25 minutes. It was a large cookie, so now just let it cool completely. Next, we're going to melt down 24 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate. It might be better to use tempered chocolate if you can do that or if you know how. It's not hard, it's just time consuming. And we're just going to go the easy route and just melt this down and keep it in the refrigerator until we're ready to serve it. You can melt this down a number of different ways. Microwave, you can melt it down, just do it 30 seconds at a time, stirring in between. You can put it over a double boiler, that's the preferred method. So I'm not going to show you the process of melting down chocolate, it's pretty straightforward. So once your chocolate is all melted, we're going to come back to our cookie. This is cooled completely. And we're going to come back to our peanut butter mixture. We're going to take this and put it on top of our cookie. It also helps if you put it in the freezer for like 10 minutes right before you do this. Make sure it's on there good. Just pull off the paper. Now we're going to take our chocolate and pour over top of our cookie. Make sure we cover it completely. And I'm going to put this back in the refrigerator until it firms up. And after about 15 to 20 minutes in the refrigerator, your chocolate should have set. And now we can just remove it from this and serve it. And now it's time for the taste test. I'm not going to do it with my tiny spoon because what's the point? It's just too big. So I just cut off a small little piece and here we go. This is good. If I did it again, I'd make the shortbread a little thinner, but all in all, tastes just like a tag-along. I wonder how Colin's video is coming along. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this giant Tagalong Girl Scout cookie. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Also, check out this video right here and write in the comments telling me what your favorite Girl Scout cookie is. And until then, I'll see you next time. Now add one cup of confectionery. Now we're going to add 1 cup of powder. Now it might be better to use tempered chocolate. Start over.